unfortunately, we are back in the snow, you know, because we had to come back from Hawaii. I'm about to go to this shop called Infinite Customs. The Shy Wrangler crew recommended them to me. There's two other shops that I was looking at for, you know, lift, tires, and wheels. Why I didn't go to the other shops is because they don't freaking work on weekends. Like, what the heck? I work during the weekday. How you ain't working on the weekend? Let's see what kind of wheels and what kind of stuff they have. And let's see if we can get this done immediately, because I'm so thirsty to get my lift, wheels, and tires. Like, I needed tires like yesterday. I did get some stuff fixed, okay? Now I got some shocks, my shocks replaced. I think it was like a steering fluid leakage or something like that. But now they was like, okay, your car should be better, but it's not gonna be the best until you change your tires. And so now there's two shops in a row that told me that I need to change my tires. So I'm gonna change my tires. Right now I'm at like 60,000 miles. So, and then I had this car since 2020. These tires been rolling for a good minute. Let's go check out Infinite Customs. The baby.
But turnaround is literally drop off, pick up next day, as long as we have everything in stock.
Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll take a deposit, we'll order whatever you need that we don't have in stock. Once it comes in, you drop it off, pick it up next day. And we do have, you know, 20s, 22s, 24s, 26s, depending how big you want to go.
Okay.
Like this wheel straight ahead, that fuel wheel, is 22. I've custom painted a couple of those right here, this black wheel.
Okay.
So I've custom a couple of those I've done already. So I'll match this off, and this will be all the color, the pink color you want. I can fill in the letters.
Yeah.
And then this is another 22. This is a 24. These are real nice. They sell a lot. 24s and 22s. And then they could also be paint matched if you want to paint match. And these are all 26s, they're real big.
Alright.
But then we got the best tires that we sell.
And how much is this one?
For a 37 for 22 with mountain balance and installs, around like $395 a tire. Which is cheaper than buying Nitto, Toyo, and all that, which you're gonna spend like $550 and up on a tire.
Yeah, I need the all-terrains for sure. I'm done looking around and I think I've been sold. I think I'm gonna go with that company, Infinite Custom. The reasons why is because it's the closest to my house. You know, a lot of people have used them, so clearly people like them. And then also, you know, he walked around with me, he's giving me the whole spiel, what tires is good. He told me the good and bad and all the stuff. He was telling me how, like, if you get 37 tires, you know, it's gonna be a lot more weight, so you know you're gonna use more gas, and you know you're gonna be changing your brake pads and stuff is a lot more often. For mileage, of course, the 2.5 inch 35 tires would be better, but of course everybody knows that the 37 3.5 inch lift looks the best. So, you know, most people really don't care as long as they looking the best. Now, things that I do care about is I don't want no death wobble, I don't want no shaking, no crazy stuff happening, no falling apart and stuff like that. I am one of those people who believe, like, you go big or go home, you know what I'm saying? You gotta go big or go home. I can't get a 2.5 inch knowing there's a 3.5 out there, okay? I'm definitely gonna get a 3.5 inch. I'm definitely gonna get 37 tires. But the tires he showed me, I think it was 30. At first I was saying I was gonna get 37 and 12.5 inch width tires, but the tires he showed me was 37 and 13.5. So it's like, do I want 13.5? The wheels, he wanted to convince me to go 22s or 24s. I don't think I want those big of wheels. Like, I was thinking either 17 or 20. But then he was like, you know, if you want to do the light thing, which I do, the LED lights, I wanted to do it like around the wheels. He's like, it looks better when the wheels is bigger. But I want a lot more tire than I do wheel, okay? So that's what I do know. I want it to be more tire-y, okay? He was telling me, you know, if I want to paint the wheels pink and stuff like that, I'm gonna have to get the color code, which I forgot to tell him. I don't think I have a color code because my color is custom. So I'm gonna have to get, what I did is get a Baby Shark toy, and have the other shop that painted my Jeep, they used the Baby Shark toy as reference. So I think I'm gonna have to order another Baby Shark. The only thing I'm figuring out right now is what type of wheel I want, the far as design, the size of the wheel that I want. And that's pretty much it. Take a week or a week and a half or 2 weeks to paint the wheels pink. So I have to, I'm so thirsty. Like, I want it done right now. If I have to wait one more week, I'm gonna die. Y'all tell me what wheels y'all like the best. And if you have any different wheels that you have in mind, comment it down below. I'm open to all y'all ideas. I'll see you guys later when I make a choice. Or maybe I won't tell y'all my choice. I'ma just roll up and y'all gonna see me rolling, alright? You know what I'm saying?